Thimonnier is a global leader in the design and manufacturing of specialized flexible packaging machines for sensitive products. Our machines are designed to form and fill flexible pouches, including pre-made dye pack, invented by my grandfather, medical infusion bags, berlingots, pillow pouches, or rigid shells.
At Thimonnier, our mission has always been to turn innovation into practical solutions for our customers. Every day, we challenge ourselves to design equipment that are not only fast, flexible and efficient, but which also anticipate the evolving needs of our clients. For more than 50 years now, our partnership with B&R has played a key role in this mission. Together, we have just achieved a breakthrough in the pharmaceutical sector with this truly innovative solution that only Thimonnier is able to propose.
We have recently developed and built a cutting-edge manufacturing machine for medical bags. This machine sets a new standard in usability and flexibility for bag manufacturing. Each ACOPOStrak shuttle has a rod mounted on it. The rod is designed to hold the tube. The tube gets preheated and a double-wounded layer film is unwounded and separated. When the rod reaches the sealing station, both three layers are sealed around the tube, forming the pouch. Each shuttle is controlled independently through software, so we can easily adjust the sealing zone or the bag size with just a few settings on HMI. This way, the changeover takes only a few minutes and requires no mechanical change. The flexibility of the shuttle position allows to produce without material waste, which is a big advantage since our clients use a very specific and high-quality film.
The web-based visualization application developed with MapView, B&R visualization creation tool, lets adjust all machine settings directly on the HMI. As MapView also supports OPCUA communication, data from third-party hardware can also be viewed for full diagnostics. The B&R vision systems comes into play as well with a smart sensor camera providing dependable shuttle identification when the machine starts up. And last but not least, the B&R Map Audit and Map User Rigs components enable easy implementation of data logging for traceability.
This project is a great example of what our customers can achieve by partnering with B&R. Our team provided dedicated support at every stage of the development, starting right from the machine design phase using a digital twin created by B&R. Thanks to this approach, we were able to determine the best ACOPOStrak configuration and shuttle speeds before working with the actual hardware. The deep expertise of our team in areas like mechatronics, control, visualization and vision played a key role in the success of this project.
This accomplishment is really a milestone, but it is also part of our strategy to keep innovating, to keep pushing boundaries, and to keep offering solutions which give key advantages and immediate benefits to our customers worldwide.